So, since our family is growing, we decided to take a bold step. Welcome to a full house tour of our new home. We bought our dream home and I'm so excited to be sharing it with you guys. As soon as you walk into the house, you have the living room to your left if you're coming from outside, and if you're coming from within the house, it is to your right. The living room is quite spacious and I can't wait to play around with this space. The idea is to make this home a very cozy home for a growing family, and I can't wait to take you guys along with me on this journey. Another beautiful space we can play around with is this entryway, and like I said earlier, I already have ideas. You can do a lot with this space. And as a content creator, I like the fact that the house is clean and very bright, which is perfect for filming content. We have the downstairs toilet next to the living room, which is convenient because you can access it from either the kitchen or the living room if you are downstairs. Now let me show you my favorite part of this house. This was one of the reasons why I said this house was the one. This kitchen, I just love it. I love the fact that it is different from the regular white kitchen. It's a kitchen diner, so you can fit a dining table and chairs in this space. Another thing I really love about the kitchen is the blend of green, white and navy blue. It's absolutely gorgeous. I can't even explain how happy this kitchen space makes me feel. The kitchen also comes with a fridge freezer, it comes with an oven, and it comes with a dishwasher. I think I need to slow down at this point because it seems I am becoming too fast. I am going faster than the video. Don't mind me, I'm just excited. I don't really like the position of this oven. I prefer the ovens placed between the top and bottom kitchen cabinets where you don't have to go down to open it. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but yeah, this is the big dishwasher that came with the house. The one in the previous house is quite small, so this is like an upgrade. Another interesting thing about our new home is the fact that it comes with a utility room. It feels so nice to have the washing machine and dryer outside the kitchen. The utility also comes with extra kitchen cupboard space and 2 shelves. I already have an idea of what to do with these shelves, but I am still very much open if you have any ideas for me, because this will be my first time decorating a home and I want it to be cozy, beautiful and ideal for a growing family. So the utility has a door that takes you out of the building. This door takes you to the car park and it takes you to the garage. And I'm very sure that front door won't see us often, because who would want to go around the front door when you can easily go to the car park from here? If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are seeing me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, that's it for the kitchen and the utility room. Let's go see what the garden looks like. Personally, I'm not a fan of gardens, but yeah, it's a good space for barbecue and a place to chill during summer. The garden is a decent size and you can host a few friends here for barbecue. I like the size of this garden because it won't take my husband the whole day to mow and maintain. The garden of the old house is so big you can use it to host a big party. I don't know why a 3-bedroom house came with that much garden space. I did a house tour of that house when we rented it, so it should be somewhere on my channel if you want to see it too. The garden door goes straight to the car park as well, and the garage. Another reason we got this house is because it comes with a garage, and we wanted a house with a garage so bad. If you live in the UK, you know that the garage that comes with the houses are used as storage and not for parking cars. That's pretty much it for the garage. Let's go upstairs so we can finish this house tour, shall we? While we are going up, if you are contemplating on subscribing to my channel, please go back and subscribe. It costs nothing to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing, because if you don't subscribe, you won't see what we do with this house and you won't see all the memories we're going to create in this house. You would also miss out on all my beautiful skincare videos I make to teach you how to make your skin look beautiful and gorgeous. Now let's go upstairs so I can show you the bedrooms, but before then we have an understairs storage down here, and that's another reason why we love this house. It comes with enough storage space. Each floor in the house comes with a storage space, and this would be a perfect hideout spot for hide and seek with my baby. Alright guys, let's go upstairs and I promise there won't be another traffic. As soon as you get to the landing of the first floor of this house, you'd see 3 bedrooms, a family bathroom and a very good sized storage space. Alright guys, welcome to the first floor of my new home. Let me show you guys what the bedrooms look like. This is the first bedroom, very good size. I think this is the smallest bedroom in this house, and if we're being honest, this room is big. It looks bigger than it appears in this video. Oh my god, the smallest bedroom in our previous home can only fit my baby's cot and wardrobe, so this is like a massive upgrade. So far you can see that this is not the UK standard kind of houses, and that's another reason why we went for this house, because of the few slight differences here and there. Let's go and see bedroom number 2. This bedroom comes with an ensuite bathroom. It's like the mini master bedroom. Very good size as well. I'm so excited because this house comes with 3 bathrooms, so you don't have to wait for someone to use the bathroom before you have a shower. Everyone can be having a shower at the same time. Again, this is a massive upgrade from the previous house because the ensuite in the previous house is quite small, but the 2 ensuite in this house are spacious. 2 people can comfortably stand in here. Wait, I haven't introduced myself to you guys. My new title is landlady, so when you see me, put some respect on my name because this is the latest UK landlady. That's it for this bedroom, guys. Let's go have a look at the family bathroom. The family bathroom is nothing special. It's a regular family bathroom with a bathtub, sink and toilet. But I can't wait to just add a few things here and there to make this place really cozy and nice. Alright guys, that's it for the family bathroom. Let's go see the 3rd bedroom. I hope you guys are enjoying this house tour because I am. This bedroom is also a very good size bedroom. You can conveniently fit a double bed, a double wardrobe, 2 side drawers, and all the necessary things you need in the bedroom. The number one thing that makes a home ugly is cluster, and I want to try as much as possible to keep this house cluster free. I skipped the storage on this floor, so let me show you guys. This is the storage on the 1st floor. Like I told you guys earlier, each floor has a storage space, which is convenient. The storage spaces will help keep the house cluster free, which is nice. The storage is a good size. I don't know why it looks small in the video, but yeah, that's it. Alright guys, that's it for this floor. Let's go upstairs so I can show you the star of the show, the master bedroom. Master bedroom occupies the whole floor. The 2nd floor, that's the only thing you'd find on the 2nd floor, just the bedroom. We are still contemplating on the bedroom to use as the master bedroom because this bedroom is just alone on its own on that floor. As much as I like the privacy, it still feels like you're trying to avoid everyone in the house. Anyway, this is the master bedroom. I love that this room is really spacious. The only downside is the slant wall as a result of the roofing, because this room is at the top of the building. This would be my small makeups and skincare space because I'll put my dressing table there. This is the ensuite bathroom, and it is bigger than the previous one. I like the fact that this bathroom is very bright because of the slant window, and this bathroom as well is a good size. I would have preferred a toy drying rack in this particular bathroom, but you can't eat your cake and have it, can you? Well, that doesn't matter because the things we love about this house outweighs the things we don't like, so that's a consolation. There's a storage space here as well. This place can be used as a small wardrobe or as a storage space, whatever you want to do with it. Alright guys, that's it for this house tour. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as we enjoyed creating it for you guys. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share with your friends. Make sure to stick around for the decoration of this house and for all the memories we're going to be making. House tour would not be complete if I don't show you guys what the garage looks like. It is quite spacious and long. It will contain a lot of things, and that makes me so happy. Thanks for coming along with me on this full house tour. I hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. I know I've said that a lot of times, so it is very important for the growth of the channel. Thanks for watching again. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.